To put a SIM card in your iPhone 14, start by gathering the necessary tools and information. You will need your iPhone 14, the SIM card you want to use, and a SIM ejector tool that comes with your iPhone or a paper clip. First, locate the SIM card tray on your iPhone 14, which is situated on the right side of the device. Next, take your SIM ejector tool and insert it into the small hole on the SIM card tray. Gently push the tool until the tray pops out. Now, remove the SIM card tray from your iPhone and place it on a flat surface. You will see a small outline of where the SIM card should be placed. Take your SIM card and align it with the outline, ensuring the notched corner of the SIM card is aligned with the notched corner of the tray. Gently place the SIM card into the tray, making sure it is securely seated and aligned properly. Once the SIM card is in place, insert the tray back into your iPhone, making sure it is fully seated and the SIM card is secure. Your iPhone will automatically detect the SIM card and prompt you to select your carrier or enter any necessary information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. If you encounter any issues, restart your iPhone and try again. It is essential to handle your SIM card with care, as it is a fragile component that can be easily damaged. Avoid touching the gold contact points on the SIM card, as the oils from your skin can damage the card. If you are having trouble ejecting the SIM card tray, do not force it, as this can damage your iPhone. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily put a SIM card in your iPhone 14 and start using your device. Remember to always handle your SIM card and iPhone with care to ensure they continue to function properly.